Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to log out of all devices in Instagram app. Step 1. Launch Instagram. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select hamburger icon menu in the upper right corner. And proceed to Settings, then to Security. Tap on Login Activity and go to Where You're Logged In section to view all logged in devices. You can see where you're logged in and get a list of all devices you've been signed in to recently. Check each device by tapping the three dots on the right side, and you can select the logout option from here, which only logs out you of one session. At this point, Instagram will prompt you to change your password. That's it. Thanks for watching.